And hey, I'm like, hey, it's not worth arguing over $3. Yeah. It's fine. Mm-hmm. You know what I mean? Like at the end of the day, we don't want to lose a customer over $3. Yeah. Anyway. So when we did switch over to Laundry Works, we were fully attended. We right now are only partially attended, but to help with the transition. And because we knew it was going to be a big difference for people to not use quarters, walk through the whole system. It's been great. We've received a great response. My hairdresser actually goes to our laundromat to do her linens. When they have people come in town, she's like, it's like a Dave & Buster's, but for laundry. That's awesome. I thought that was a great comparison. So we've gotten a lot of good feedback. There has been a couple times that people are like, no, I don't know how to do this. And they go to leave. Thank goodness we're either there or an attendant. We're like, please just give us 1 second. We'll help you. We'll show you through it. We'll go through a wash and a dry. If you don't think your clothes are cleaner than they were before coming here, then before, like with our old machines, we'll give you your money back. And every time they're like, this is amazing. Yeah. Look at this. So customers have been very happy. Sometimes you just have to convince them like, hey, just give us a chance.
You didn't lose any friends?
I think we did. I don't know. We're going to ask around. We talked about it yesterday. I think there's one that I'm very attached to. I don't think they come anymore, but we've received a lot more customers.
Yeah.
But I do
new friends. Yeah. No, it is tough. I mean, that's a question I get asked all the time is, what do I do? Do I do coin? Do I do hybrid? Do I go full card? And I mean, it's a hard decision to make. And, kudos just knowing you guys and Nick, you specifically, kudos for making that decision and going. I know. Yeah. Going full card system. That's a tough decision to make. I mean, going back, like if you had to go back and make the decision all over, you making the same decision, would you go hybrid? What's your thought on that?
I would absolutely stay the same and go full card.
Yeah. Even now, like when we're always looking for another store, that's one of the first purchases that we made.
Is Laundry Works.
We're switching it to Laundry Works immediately.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It takes so much burden off the owner of collecting jams, unnecessary maintenance things.
Mm-hmm.
You can monitor their systems. Excellent. You can monitor so much remotely, and the detailed reports you can get out of it. You can see when that store's busy or slow,
which helps with a lot of different business decisions, not just what type of machine is doing the best, not even just that. It helps with staffing. It helps with marketing. It helps with everything. Being able to have that information at your fingertips, and it saves you so much time.